कि प्राइस किस हिसाब से बिहेव कर रहा है, तो हाउ टू टेक एडवांटेज आउट ऑफ इट. ओके. So initially I'll use some whiteboard here. So for a better understanding, I'll be using whiteboard. So first of all, try to understand, sir. I will, for the first 10 minutes, I'll split this session into 2 or 3 parts. For the first 10 minutes, I'll be just trying to explain you about the price. Okay, first 10 minutes, my main focus is to explain about the price, and then I'll be move on to the, what I can say is the levels, the areas, not levels precisely, but a simple price action style which can help to understand or stay in the correct direction of the market. Okay, so this is where it will go on, and then we'll have a Q&A session. So this is the three split of this entire session. Probably the plan to do this session 1.5 2 hours. Let's see, as per the time permits, we'll be doing this session. The first 10 minutes, let's understand more about price. Okay, so generally everyone have their own way of understanding market. हर एक जन different style of trading follow करते हैं. Price action में भी बहुत सारे traders बहुत सारे variety of trading follow कर रहे हैं. But in terms of the basic understanding, I'll be explaining you first of all generally what is happening in the market. You need to understand first what's happening in the market. कि price is suddenly trying to move up, move down, move up, move down. So why? असली में what is the action which is being taking place, but most traders find difficult in understanding ki what's happening. Sir, price is suddenly moving up and then reversing back down from some X levels, again trying to take a support from Y level and reversing back away again, and suddenly market direction is becoming so bullish, so bearish. So these are the multiple questions in general runs in most traders mind. Most traders get confused ki asli mein what is happening, how can we make money out of it, because ultimate goal for every trader actually, if you accept it or not, it's money, to make profits from the market. तो उसके हिसाब से to make profits from the market, you need to understand many aspects of trading. But most traders just like that randomly trading in the market every day without understanding ki what's happening really, what need to be checked, how the action should be there. Okay, so let's get started in terms of first of all how price is moving. Try to understand in a simple, I will not complicate things. Okay, because it's a Sunday evening, I'll be not wasting even a single minute of your time. Main focus will be to just concentrate to explain you the precise action of precise learning especially. So in terms of the market, price moves up until they find sellers. Try to understand, price moves down until they find buyers, strong buyers, strong sellers. So this is the way price moves, this is the way market moves. Market, try to understand, it's a two-way auction process. मतलब if you understand two-way auction process means, I will tell you a simple example. If anyone is watched IPL auction, if anyone are aware about cricket, IPL auction, you could see if a player, if an ex-player, if it is, if his starting price is, let's say starting price is 50 lakhs. Okay, at IPL auction, if you see the starting price is 50 lakhs for any ex player. So what is the basic rule which happens here, sir? If any team wants to or shown interest to purchase or to buy the player and want them in their own team, what they will be doing? So starting price is 50 lakhs. So there is no price below 50 lakh any team can bid. So what happens is only the upside possibilities are there, or break even 50 lakh is the minimum, or the player will not get any bid. So this is the only possible way generally happens in that any IPL auction. So this is called as one way auction. one way auction. That is only the possibility is it can go upside from the starting price. But in the market there is nothing like that. Market is a two-way auction process. Price will move up, move down, move up, move down. Everything will go on in terms of two-way auction process. So try to understand, our main focus should be in towards understanding, just following the price, whether it is moving up, more possibility to follow the price, whether it is moving down, up or down. So all, everything happens, but what we do is we are just trying to complicate trading in such a way, rather than focusing. Try to understand, sir, आप trading कर रहे हो तो आप price में focus करो. Okay, if you are into market, if you are trading in the market, your main focus, the attempt to make profits. Everyone wants profits, sir. Okay, now let me ask you a simple question. How many wants profits from the trading? Just type yes in the chat box. Okay, this, I'm not just asking this question just for any time pass or joke. I will tell you the clear, what I can say, a roadmap, the real why I'm asking this question. I will tell you, just try to answer this question. How many want to make profits from trading? Just type yes in the chat box. Again, I repeat, this question is not for time pass. I will tell you the real logic, real answer, why most traders are struggling. Most traders are not able to make money in the market. They are struggling to make money. Most traders problem. So try to understand, in the market the main problem is traders are unable to make profits. Okay, in every business there is a problem, sir. In every business there is a problem. There was days where to make a video call, you have to, there was no major free resources. There are days, few years back, to make a video call you need to, there was one thing which was more famous those days was Skype. Those who are aware of it, Skype was one famous video calling platform, okay, which was paid, okay, to, but in a free there was limited time you can speak, beyond that it was paid. Nowadays the video call is free, available in various ways. You can do Google Meet, you can do, what I can say, WhatsApp video calling. There are nowadays mobile phones, directly options are there. When a normal call you can do video calling. Okay, so this was the problem, it has been solved. Same way, the problem which most traders have nowadays is the profits. Everyone in search of profits, trading in the market but struggling to make money. The main reason is, most traders, even I have done it in my initial day, most traders are not focusing on the price. When I say focus on the price, most traders, what they do is simply open candlestick chart and start seeing, sir, this is bullish candle, sir, this is bearish candle, sir, this is, what I can say, this is doji candle, sir, this is a rejection, bearish rejection candle, sir, this is, what I can say, there are n number of candles. I will show you, sir. If I just try to Google candlestick pattern, okay, you could see this. I will just open a simple image here. I think this is not clear. Anything else? Huh. If I open this image, you could see this. What? How many patterns are here available, sir? There are something called Arami, inverse, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, shooting star, hanging man, evening star, three black cross, dark cloud cover, falling tree, spinning top, doji, rising tree, and these are just examples. There are many more, sir. When I always ask a trader, focus on the price, what most traders start do is start finding patterns. Sir, I will tell you from my experience, the day I have stopped finding patterns in the candlestick chart or in a simple plain free available candlestick chart, that is the day I have started making profits in the market, especially on intraday trading. Okay, I will tell you, just try to, how many traders, once you open the chart, once you see the chart, rather than looking at the price level, how many traders still search for some candle pattern, chart patterns. Forget about chart pattern, simple candle pattern. If you are honest enough, I will tell you first. First the route to make profits. Okay. As I mentioned in the initial 10 minutes, I will take some time in understanding, showing you how the price, what are all the key things which you are doing it as a mistake. Sir, what is making you, what is stopping you from profits, sir? Most traders' problem is they are getting stopped from making profits. I will tell you how many traders, if you need to be super honest, sir. And one more thing, sir, to make money you need to be super honest, not to me or not to anyone but to yourself, your brain. You need to be super honest. Let's test your honesty now, sir. How many traders in the market or after market or during live market, once you are in front of some candlestick charts, how many traders are still, or you would have looked, okay sir, this is some candle pattern here, sir, if I'm shorting this I would have made money. After market most traders do this, sir. So suddenly this is bullish engulfing candle, sir, if would I bought here I would have, what I can say, I would have take this profit here, sir. I would have made good profits. How many traders still search for candlestick patterns after market when you are seeing the chart? If you are, let's try test your honesty, sir. Be super honest. If you are doing it, just type yes. If you are not doing it, just type no, sir. Because this is very important, sir. This is very important problem which has to be solved. That too, what is stopping you to make profits? How can you make real profits from trading? Super, let me be super honest, sir. Okay, yes or no, no problem, no one is judging you. I will tell you, in this session no one knows anyone. Okay, no one knows anyone, no one would have seen anyone in front of in your real life. Okay, if you are doing this, first opening the chart, looking at what I can say, looking at the candle pattern, stop doing it. Stop right now, sir. Don't waste your time. Okay, I have done the same mistake. That is from my experience. I am telling you, it's, I'm not telling it is wrong to look at candle pattern, but what I am telling, don't do it in the first stage, don't do it as a first step. Okay, candle pattern looking at is nothing wrong. Let me be super honest. Okay, as I mentioned, a trader should be honest. Even I should be honest. What I am trying to speak right now in front of you, जो कुछ मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, that should be super honest. ओके, इट हैज हेल्प्ड मी, आपको भी मदद हो सकता है, बिकॉज ये चीज मेरे लिए काम किया है कि पहले भी मैं यही करता था. आई वाज लुकिंग एट कैंडल स्टिक पैटर्न, सर ये कैंडल बन रहा है, वो कैंडल बन रहा है, डबल टॉप, ट्रिपल टॉप, स्पिनिंग टॉप, ये कुछ भी. अभी आई स्टिल, लेट मी बी सुपर ऑनेस्ट, आई डोंट रिमेंबर ऑल द नेम्स ऑल्सो. ट्री, ब्लैक क्रो, डार्क क्लाउड कवर, shooting star, hanging man, doji, spinning top, these are all, let me be super honest, अभी भी ये सारी चीज़ का नाम भी मुझे याद नहीं है सर, वो मुझे ज़रूरत भी नहीं है. बिकॉज मेरा काम यही है कि मुझे प्राइस को फॉलो करना. आई वॉन्ट टू जस्ट माई प्लान एज अ रूल माई रूल एज अ ट्रेडर इज टू जस्ट टू फॉलो द प्राइस. फॉलो द प्राइस का मतलब क्या है सर? अरे एवरी वन सेज फॉलो प्राइस को फॉलो करो, फॉलो द प्राइस, फॉलो द डायरेक्शन, फॉलो द मोमेंटम. ये सब बोलने के लिए बहुत ईजी है सर. ओके, let me be tell you, this is the reason I do free live market session in the same YouTube channel Monday to Friday morning 9 a.m. sharp it starts. Those who are not joining, you can make use of it. You can join from tomorrow also if you have missed it. I have restarted again from the 1st of February, where everything is being in front of you practical during the live market hours. You can make sure you can subscribe this channel and especially turn on the bell icon, because once live market starts you will get the notifications also. So coming back here, आपका first step क्या होना चाहिए सर? You need to understand what should be your first step. What is my first step? Rather than telling you or guiding you or advising you कि आपके लिए क्या first step रहना चाहिए, I will tell you what is my first step. मेरा फर्स्ट स्टेप, माई फोकस इज, मुझे यही चीज़ जानना है कल की सेशन में. मिनिमम दो चीज़ मुझे जानना है सर. ओके, फर्स्ट ब्रॉडर मार्केट की डायरेक्शन क्या है, ब्रॉडर मार्केट की ट्रेंड क्या है, ये पॉइंट नंबर 1 मुझे ये जानना है बिफोर द नेक्स्ट डे मार्केट ओपन, बिफोर कल की मार्केट ओपन होने से पहले ब्रॉडर मार्केट ट्रेंड क्या है। ब्रॉडर मार्केट ट्रेंड, मुझे ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि सर ब्रॉडर मार्केट ट्रेंड बुलिश है बियरिश है, इसमें मुझे इतना कोई मतलब नहीं है। आई डोंट गिव मच प्रायोरिटी मार्केट्स बुलिश है या बियरिश है, ब्रॉडर मार्केट ट्रेंड। मुझे यही सिर्फ जानना है मार्केट साइडवेज है या फिर मार्केट डायरेक्शनल है, बिकॉज एवरीवन जस्ट ट्राइंग टू फाइंड कि यहाँ से मार्केट कहाँ जाएगा, फ्रॉम हियर वेयर द मार्केट विल गो टुमारो, हाउ विल बी द मार्केट, वेदर इट विल बी बुलिश और बियरिश। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड सर, practically I will tell you, if you are an intraday trader, you should be not bothered about what will happen tomorrow morning, sir, after the market open. Where the market will open tomorrow morning, if you are an intraday trader, you should not bother about it. You will not make any profits out of it. Wherever the markets open, you will be not making any single profits if you are a pure intraday trader. Then why you are wasting your smart brain by thinking and overloading your brain? Most problem comes is overloading your brain, sir. Okay, if brain has this much capacity, we are maximum 80 percentage of brain we are using it ki where the market will open tomorrow, will I get any trades, tomorrow morning will I make any profits, tomorrow morning whether market will be sideways or directional, whether it will be up or down. If you are an intraday trader, what is the use of it, sir? Is there any use by knowing whether the where the market will open tomorrow morning, whether I will be getting a trade or not, कल मुझे कोई trade मिलेगा कि नहीं? Useless, sir. As an intraday trader आपके लिए जरूरत ही नहीं है, sir. You will be not making any single profits just by knowing where the market will open. It is the headache of positional trader who will be thinking is looking at SGX Nifty की market कल क्या खुलेगा, ओके, वेयर द मार्केट विल ओपन, कितना गैप अप खुलेगा, कितना गैप डाउन खुलेगा, दीज आर ऑल द थॉट प्रोसेस. इफ यू आर टेकन एनी ओपन पोजीशन, इफ यू आर अ पोजिशनल ट्रेडर, यू माइट गेट दैट थॉट प्रोसेस, बट इंट्राडे ट्रेडर के लिए वो जरूरत ही नहीं है, सर. आप आपकी स्मार्ट ब्रेन को यूज करो मार्केट ओपन होने के बाद, ओपन होने से पहले व्हाट आर ऑल द रेफरेंस लेवल विच इज पॉसिबल, किस रेफरेंस लेवल में मैं फोकस करूं, किस में नहीं करना है. मार्केट ओपन होने के बाद कहाँ पे ओपन हो रहा है, ओके, कल की रेंज के बाहर, वेदर इट इज ओपनिंग आउटसाइड प्रीवियस डेज रेंज और इनसाइड प्रीवियस डेज रेंज, ये सब चीज एज एन इंट्राडे ट्रेडर इस चीज में फोकस करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, सर. द डे आई हैव स्टार्ट फोकसिंग ऑन इट, इट हैज इंप्रूव्ड माय ट्रेडिंग अ लॉट. लेट मी बी सुपर ऑनेस्ट. आप जितना ज्यादा फोकस करोगे विच इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू यू, इफ यू आर इन इंट्राडे ट्रेडर, आपके लिए क्या चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है प्रॉफिट करने के लिए, सर. प्रॉफिट और लॉस सेकेंडरी है, बट यहाँ पे मैं एक चीज प्रॉफिट के बारे में क्यों बात कर रहा हूँ, व्हाई आई एम पॉइंटिंग आउट प्रॉफिट इज बिकॉज एक्चुअल मोटिव फॉर एवरी ट्रेडर इज टू मेक मनी ना. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग कि वन और टू ट्रेड्स, आई एम स्पीकिंग अबाउट नेक्स्ट 100 ट्रेड्स में आप कितने ट्रेड प्रॉफिट कर रहे हो, कितने ट्रेड लॉस कर रहे हो, नेट टू नेट आफ्टर 100 ट्रेड्स आप क्या ले जा रहे हो, व्हाट इज योर नेट. फॉर एग्जांपल आपका कैपिटल 10 लाख है, 100 ट्रेड के बाद आपका कैपिटल 10 लाख से कितना परसेंटेज बढ़ा, कितना परसेंटेज राइज हुआ या कितना परसेंटेज ड्रॉप हुआ, यही इंपॉर्टेंट है. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. यहाँ पे मैं परसेंटेज क्यों यूज कर रहा हूँ, मैं भी ये भी बोल सकता हूँ कि यहाँ सर मैंने 10 लाख लिए, 10 लाख मेरा कैपिटल है, मैंने 100 ट्रेड लिया, मैंने 15 लाख कमाया, 20 लाख कमाया. दीज आर यूजलेस थॉट प्रोसेस. फिर से आप यही गलती कर रहे हो कि आपके थॉट प्रोसेस ही गलत है सर. आपने कितना परसेंट कमाया, कितना परसेंट लॉस किया, मतलब हर 100 ट्रेड में, हर एक ट्रेड में व्हाट इज योर रिस्क. मतलब मान लो आप नेक्स्ट 100 ट्रेड की फोकस कर रहे हो, लेट्स से नेक्स्ट 3 ट्रेड्स इज अ कंटिन्यूअस लॉस. 3 ट्रेड लॉस के बाद आपका कितना परसेंटेज ऑफ कैपिटल आपके हाथ से जा चुका है, हाउ मच परसेंटेज ऑफ कैपिटल यू हैव लॉस्ट. इफ इट इज, let's say it is 10%, 20%, 8%, 6%, what I can say is anything more than 6% with 2% risk per trade, anything greater than this or anything greater than, if you are conservative 3%, if you are aggressive 6%, इससे ऊपर आपके 3 कंटिन्यूस लॉस ट्रेडिंग सेशन के बाद आपका कैपिटल आप उससे ज़्यादा छोड़ रहे हो तो आपका पोजीशन साइजिंग में गलत है सर। सो दिस इज द फोकस, यही सब चीज आप फोकस करना। आप इंट्राडे फोकस कर रहे हो तो आप लेवल्स मार्क करना शुरू करो सर। आप यू कैन आस्क सर, आई डोंट हैव मच नॉलेज इन मार्किंग लेवल्स, हाउ टू फाइंड सपोर्ट एंड रेसिस्टेंस, असली में विच सपोर्ट एंड रेसिस्टेंस विल वर्क, विच विल नॉट वर्क। इफ यू हैव दैट प्रॉब्लम, अरे सिंपल प्रीवियस डे हाई लो तो मार्क करो सर। Okay, I will tell you simple style or simple technique. Now it's time to 10-20 minutes I have taken to explain you the basic कि आपको क्या नहीं देखना है, क्या कुछ अभी let's discuss of क्या देखना है कि what I will tell you कि what I see. Okay, I repeat again, जो कुछ मैं बता रहा हूँ it is what I try to see it in front of the chart. मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ देखता हूँ सर, मैं सारी चीज़ यहाँ पे एक फ्री वेबिनार में नहीं बता सकता हूँ, प्लस टाइम भी परमिट नहीं करेगा, बट एक एक आउटलाइन दूंगा, मिनिमम फ्रेमवर्क दूंगा कि उस चीज को आप देखोगे तो यू विल गेट अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग। इफ यू सी दोस थिंग्स यू माइट गेट बेटर क्लैरिटी। ओके, आप इफ यू आर लेट्स से आपको सपोर्ट देखना नहीं आ रहा है, रेसिस्टेंस देखने में प्रॉब्लम है, डिमांड जोन, सप्लाई जोन, रेफरेंस लेवल आइडेंटिफाई करने में इफ यू आर फेसिंग डिफिकल्टी, सर जी बेसिक प्रीवियस हाई और लो तो प्लॉट कर लो। जस्ट ट्राई टू प्लॉट प्रीवियस डे हाई, प्रीवियस डे लो। उससे ज़्यादा एक स्टेप मैं आपको यहाँ पे आज सिखाने की कोशिश करूँगा। आई विल ट्राई टू guide you in a way. If it is useful for you then it is great, fantastic. Okay, previous day high, previous day low आपने तो मार्क कर ली, ये तो अवेलेबल है, ये तो एवरी ट्रेडर्स वॉच प्रीवियस डेज हाई, प्रीवियस डेज लो, दोज हु आर ट्रेडिंग इन द मार्केट। सर आप 5 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम में भी मार्क कर लो, जस्ट सिंपली मार्क इट इन अ 5 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम इटसेल्फ। ओके, बियॉन्ड दैट आई विल टेल यू वन मोर थिंग विच इज more powerful, but you need to know how to use it, when to use it, when not to use it. That is midpoint. Okay, midpoint of previous trading session, simple सर, उससे ज़्यादा कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है यहाँ पे। आपको एक सिंपल मिड पॉइंट काम पे ये चीज़ मार्क करना है, because what most traders do, ah sir I know this year previous day high is there, previous day low is there, sir why should I mark? No, ह्यूमन नेचर आप समझोगे इफ यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ ह्यूमन ब्रेन वर्क्स, what you see in front of your screen, your brain will be more powerful to react first to that area only. Okay, if price is coming to this previous days high, if you are marked this level, your smart brain will be more ready or more comfortable to say ki, you would have seen the Mentos ad. If you are familiar with, it's an old ad, the Mentos ad, दिमाग की बत्ती जलेगी। Okay, it's like idea sir. If you any search an image for idea PNG, what comes in your, look at this, मैंने क्या गूगल किया, idea PNG, दिमाग की बत्ती जली, the light, the spark in the brain will come only once you plot something in front of your eyes sir. चार्ट आपके सामने है तो आप जब तक प्लॉट नहीं करोगे you will be not giving importance to previous day high, previous day low. एक पॉइंट के बाद once you see this quick up move or quick down move, एक दो कैंडल, दो तीन कैंडल, once you see continuous green, continuous red ना, what most traders do, they forget even there is some previous day high, previous day low is also there. That is the reason plotting in front of the screen, again I repeat you, this might look very basic sir, ये बहुत आसान है, तो सबको मालूम है सर। I will tell you one thing, everyone knows many style of trading, many strategy, many candlestick pattern, many chart pattern, many indicator. Okay, many style of trading, many technique and many setup and many strategies. But still you have a question, after knowing many things why still I am losing money in the market, right? The problem is you know many things, आपको बहुत सारी चीज मालूम है ट्रेडिंग के बारे में, बिकॉज आजकल तो फ्री रिसोर्सेज इतना, आप गूगल कर लोगे, यूट्यूब सर्च करोगे, मेरे जैसे बहुत सारे फ्री वेबिनार्स करते हैं तो बहुत सारी चीजें बताते हैं। Like me, I might today I might speak about more about midpoint in this session. Okay, तो same thing what happens ना, problem यहाँ पे यही है सर, आपको बहुत सारी चीज मालूम है, you know many thing about trading, that is the problem. That is one more thing which is stopping you from making profits. I will tell you, this is completely my practical experience sir. Before I came to this conclusion, even I know many things, I would have सर्च ऑलमोस्ट सर, आई विल टेल यू वन थिंग, यहाँ पे जब मैं इंडिकेटर्स टाइप करूंगा, सर्च करूंगा, इसमें मैं आधे के ऊपर इंडिकेटर्स में ट्राई कर चुका हूँ सर, ऑलमोस्ट मोर देन 50% ऑफ दीज इंडिकेटर्स विच यू कुड सी, आई विल स्क्रॉल फास्टली, आई हैव ट्राइड इट, आई हैव ट्राइड यूजिंग इट. ओके, बट अल्टीमेटली आप मेरे चार्ट के सामने देख रहे हो, यहाँ पे कोई इंडिकेटर्स है सर, आप में व्हाट आई डू इज आई ऑल्सो डू लाइव मार्केट सेशन. Okay, I also do live market session in the same YouTube. You can, after this you can watch the videos also. Okay, you can watch videos also in this live YouTube channel itself. You will see this under live column, live market session. You can open any of the live market session and see how many indicators I have plotted in my charts. Very rare, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा I plot VWAPs, that's it. उससे ज़्यादा maximum I just try to add pivot levels, but that pivot levels I generally, it will be turned off only. जैसे it is turned off right now, it will be turned off most of the time. Hardly I will be, this will be my chart, and other than that I would have marked some reference levels, some zones, right? Try to understand. Practically this is what I realized once I make things very simple. जितना ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेट करोगे उतना ही ज़्यादा लॉसेस होंगे. ओके, जितना ज़्यादा सिंपलेस्ट अप्रोच, फॉलो लेस. सर आप बहुत सारी चीज़ देख रहे हो आज की मार्केट में. सर मैंने RSI यूज़ किया, मैंने स्टोकेस्टिक यूज़ किया, मैंने बोलिंजर बैंड भी यूज़ किया, मैंने पिवोट भी यूज़ किया, मैंने CPR भी यूज़ किया. I have also used VWAP, still I am not making money. Have you used any one consistently? आप मुझे बताओगे, if you give me a plain chart, for me I will ask, I will ready to plot only two things. First I will be plotting VWAP, and then I will be marking few reference level, few zones. Okay, these reference levels and zone are separate topics. You need to learn that. It might take a longer time. If anyone is more concentrated to learn, you can message me on WhatsApp, Telegram, anywhere. Okay, Baki, let's come to this point. I will start with the midpoint concept. Now let's add one more thing here, that is midpoint. Okay, high low divide by 2 minus I. Simple, I will tell you. Formula simple as it. What is the previous day's high? 42 250. I will open my calculator. Just a minute. Okay, calculator is not opening. Okay, so what is the high and low, sir? Simple. Bank Nifty ka high is 42 245, right? 42 245. What is the low? High minus low. 39 746. Previous day high and low, right? 39 746. What is the difference? 2499 points. I will be just dividing it by 2. 1249.50. I'll get this number. I'll be minusing it with the high 42 245 minus 42 245. I just got this number 40,995. So directly this is my midpoint. 40,995 is my midpoint. I have marked in front of the screen. Such simple concept है सर, कोई complicated formula नहीं है. Previous days high, I will write here, previous days high minus previous days low. You will get a value divided by 2, and then you will get a value here, minus it by previous days high. Just you will get the midpoint. My first work is I am just trying to plot the midpoint. So this midpoint has many things to learn, sir. Not only entry, where can we enter, and strategy, this, that. How to find the market direction. I will tell you one trick, one technique, one style where you can mark, use the midpoint and you can get some idea. Previous day high minus previous day low, you will get a x value here divided by 2, then you will get value here minus it by previous days high. तो मतलब कॉन्सेप्ट यही पे सिंपल है. 40,495, this is midpoint, so I'll be using this for my next trading session. As I mentioned, sir, there are various ways to mark reference level, support, resistance, demand, supply zone. I am just trying to tell you one simple concept which is more powerful, but this does not come on every trading session. Okay, our trading session, if you see in this trading session, the midpoint, even price not touch the midpoint. Okay, almost till 2:45, almost till 3 p.m. here, price tagged this midpoint around 240 245. 240 245 के बाद तो इंट्राडे ट्रेडर के लिए कोई काम ही नहीं है वहाँ. ओके, प्राइस नॉट टच दिस प्रीवियस डे लो फॉर द एंटायर सेशन. तो इस सेशन में ये मिड पॉइंट कॉन्सेप्ट भले काम नहीं कर रहा है, बट आई विल मूव टू एनी अदर डे फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल. सो फर्स्ट टू शो यू द कैलकुलेशन आई प्लॉटेड हियर. तो आप ये लेट्स टेक दिस एग्जाम्पल्स. ओके, दिस इज वन प्रीवियस ट्रेडिंग सेशन लो. मैंने प्लॉट किया, आई प्लॉट मार्क द लो, marked the high. So I have done is plotted and marked low and high of this particular trading session. Okay, this particular trading session high low I have marked. So my work is now to mark the midpoints. What is the high? 40,112. I'll do it calculation slide quickly because now you might know this. Minus 40,472. 640 points divided by 2 minus the I value 41,112. 41,112. 40,792 is the midpoint, right? 40,792 is the midpoint of that particular trading session. So right now, this is important here. Don't miss this session. This part now. This is very important. अभी एक चीज समझ लो सर, वेरी बेसिक नॉलेज है. प्राइस क्लोज हुआ, नेक्स्ट दिन प्राइस इज मोर ट्रेडिंग अबव द प्रीवियस डेज. मतलब वेरी सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट. वॉट एवर द एक्शन, इवन सेलर्स यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, बार बार सेलर्स आर ट्राइंग टू कम. ओके, अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन सेलर्स आर ट्राइंग टू कम इन दिस सेशन. But still try to understand multiple times sellers, but price is staying above the previous day's high. So for any day, okay, I will use this midpoint concept only. Previous day's high, previous day's low, midpoint, very simple, which is available to everyone for free. Anyone can plot very easily. इसमें कोई difficulty नहीं है, straightforward plotting option. So my main work is I need to focus when price approach previous day's high, or price comes to midpoint, or price comes to previous day's low. What is the reaction? What is the trade opportunity? यहाँ पे जब प्राइस प्रीवियस डे हाई पे आएगा, या फिर मिड पॉइंट पे आएगा, या फिर प्रीवियस डे लो पे आएगा, इस तीन एरिया में जब प्राइस आ रहा है, मुझे ये चीज समझना है, इज देयर एनी ट्रेड अपॉर्चुनिटी? कैन आई फाइंड एनी ट्रेड अपॉर्चुनिटी? Okay, yes sir. One message in the chat box is, in budget day I was watching your live session and made 2k profit. Yes sir, I have taken a bullish trade here. I will still remember this. I have taken a bullish trade here, and this up move somewhere here booked profits. I don't remember the exact profit level, but I have taken the entry here and booked profit in the live session, on the free live session. Okay, so now let's say price after this up or down move, price went up, came down, everything happened. Okay, but when price came to this previous days, I forget about everything. My focus will be what is the reaction. यहाँ पे क्या reaction है सर? Price जैसे price approached previous days high, there was quick upside move. Price was trying to quickly move up. But remember one thing, what I will be remembering here is, price aggressively falling down, price is below V. Price aggressively falling down, remember, read, I repeat, Listen again, price aggressively falling down, price is below VWAP, price is trading near the price had tagged new day low on this current trading session. जब प्राइस प्रीवियस डे आई पे अप्रोच कर रहा है, व्हाट इज द कंडीशन ऑफ द प्राइस, what is the environment of the price by which it is tagging the previous day's high or midpoint or previous day's low. ये important environment या condition या फिर एक what I can say, a better word will be the condition of the price or environment of the price. Condition matlab, for example sir, after let's say you have traveled a lot, for example you have traveled for 2 days 3 nights, you have traveled, so after that what is your condition sir, you are tired. So you are using the word of condition in this perspective. तो आप 2 दिन 3 दिन ट्रैवल कर चुके हो, तो नाउ व्हाट इज योर बॉडी कंडीशन, how you are feeling, your brain physically and mentally, what is your condition sir, you are tired. So same way, what is the condition of the price when it is approaching here sir, price aggressively falling down. ये कोई small move नहीं है सर, continuous red candle मार मार के price aggressively नीचे आ रहा है, राइट. तो ये aggressive down move है, मतलब कहीं ना कहीं price falling down, price breaking previous days low, sorry current trading session low, price is below VWAP. तो यहाँ पे मुझे ये चीज आप बताओ, who is in control sir? Whether buyers are control or sellers are control, forget about strong buyer strong seller, सब कुछ भूल जाओ. Whether bulls are control or bears are control. Sir Kumaran sir, I understand completely. Price supposed to fall if price falls from previous days high below VWAP. I understand everything sir. I will come with different example, then you will know why I am asking this question. प्राइस ऊपर से नीचे आ रहा है, प्राइस लो ब्रेक कर रहा है, तो व्हाट इज द कंडीशन, सेलर्स कहीं ना कहीं प्राइस को नीचे पुश कर रहे हैं. तो यहां से फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस डेज हाई व्हाट इज द पॉसिबिलिटी सर, व्हाट इज द पॉसिबिलिटी इफ इट इज टेकिंग अ सपोर्ट and trying to move up, matlab if the buyers are trying to come take a support, what they will be doing sir, they will be trying to push the price minimum back to the VWAP. Am I correct or not? If the bulls are ready to act, make this matlab you could see in front of your eyes price is trying to take a support or minimum, this fall has stopped here and price trying to move up where around the previous days high. मतलब simple है, कहीं ना कहीं buyers are trying to come or the previous day high is trying to act as support. अभी भी confirm नहीं है this will completely act as a support or not, it is trying. आपको ये चीज try to understand, it is price is trying to take a support from previous days high. When it will be confirmed कि असली में support ले रहा है कि नहीं, either price starts trading more above the previous days high or it goes back to VWAP. Okay, then we can say it is clearly trying to take a support. तो my focus is यहाँ पे आ रहा है सर असली में price action की reality. सर price action का मतलब क्या है सर? What is the meaning of price action? Most traders think price action means sir triangle pattern, box pattern, this pattern, that pattern, X pattern, Y pattern, Z pattern. Waste sir. If you are in such case, if most traders know, tell to myself once they see sir I know price action sir but still I am losing money. This question commonly comes, I know price action sir but still I am losing money. If I ask them what do you know about price action means, first the answer will be sir I know 10 patterns sir, 5 candlestick pattern, 5 chart patterns. I know what I can say, flag pattern, triangle pattern, box pattern, this pattern, that pattern. Price action pattern is and all these patterns is just a part of price action sir. असली में तो price action आपने समझा ही नहीं. You have really not understood what is price action sir. Price action simple as sir, buyers or sellers, they are fighting daily to push the market up and down. What we need to understand is, in this fight, who is in control, whether buyers have won the battle or buyers are in control or sellers are in control. Because again, as I told you, the motive for you to make money in the market is, if you are a directional trader or an option buyer, you need to follow the direction sir. आपको डायरेक्शन को फॉलो करना, तभी तो प्रॉफिट बनेगा. This is where I will tell you, asli price action is all about, you need to know what action is going on. What action is going on at any given price level, because here I am focusing simple thing, previous days high. तो अब जब प्राइस प्रीवियस डेज हाई पे अप्रोच कर रहा है और इट इज ट्रेडिंग अराउंड प्रीवियस डेज हाई, my main focus is what is the action of the price. सिंपल सर, प्राइस एक्शन को रिवर्स कर लो, रिवर्स मार लो, एक्शन ऑफ द प्राइस at the area you are ready to focus, at any reference level, any zone. मैं लाइव सेशन में आई ट्राई टू मार्क वेरियस जोन्स लेवल्स, आई ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द एक्शन अराउंड इट. Okay, finding, knowing action around it, there are many various ways. Again, I will tell you one way. आप ये चीज, you are getting more distracted sir. The problem for you are losing money is you are distracted by various path. यहाँ पे भी कर सकते हैं, ये भी कर सकते हैं, ये भी कर सकते हैं, ये भी कर सकते हैं. You are distracted sir. Focus on one, forget about everything. आप एक चीज में फोकस करो. आपको in this, if I am telling you in today's session कि previous days high I have marked midpoint, I have marked previous days low, I have marked, I need to see what is the action. So now you might have a question. I will come to that later. Sir, this entire up and down move came in. Why can't we use this concept and make use of those also? Yes, it is possible, sir. I will come to that later, probably if time permits, in today's session or in the upcoming session. Because there are days on the left side where the high, midpoint and low which would have been untested. Matlab, I will zoom out the chart. You could see here, there are days this high is untested. Okay, this high is untested. You can utilize this high because price testing for the first time, you can see what is the action around. I personally do see it. Okay, and there might be some midpoint for this day, high and low midpoint probably somewhere coming around here or some higher levels. So if that midpoint is untested, not even tested one time, I will utilize it for upcoming trading session. So I will get many levels at different areas. Okay, as I am focusing here, yes, just for the information, I'll tell you one thing, sir. I do live market trading session on all trading days, Monday to Friday, in the same YouTube channel, morning sharp by 9 a.m. So make sure do subscribe this channel and turn on the bell icon importantly, so you'll get notifications of the live session. If you miss or forget about the live session, you will get the notification. YouTube will do it, notify you, suggest you, okay, immediately, so we can get benefit out of it. Okay, तो coming back to this, तो यहाँ पे क्या action हो रहा है, मुझे यहाँ पे यही चीज focus करना है. So what is the action here, sir? I am speaking about action in perspective of buyers and sellers, sir. I am not speaking anything here about कि क्या pattern है sir, क्या candle formation है sir, bullish candle, bullish engulfing candle, this candle, that candle, no storytelling. आई एम नॉट वेस्टिंग टाइम हियर कि यहाँ पे क्या कैंडल फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है. मुझे यहाँ पे यही चीज समझना है, व्हाट इज द बिजनेस हैपनिंग हियर, व्हाट इज द एक्शन हैपनिंग हियर बिटवीन बायर्स एंड सेलर्स, बायर्स और सेलर्स के बीच में व्हाट इज द बिजनेस. बिकॉज ट्रेडिंग इज अ बिजनेस सर. आप बाई कर रहे हो, सामने कोई और सेल करेगा सर. You are buying, let's say you are ready to buy some bank nifty option at 500. If there is some opposite seller, then only you can buy that option at 500 levels. If you are interested to sell bank nifty at 41,100 levels, 41,100 levels, if you are ready to sell, if some buyer is there, then only you can sell. समझ रहे हो? So there is some business happening in between you and some other trader who you don't know. You will never see him in your entire life. You are ready to sell, someone is ready to buy. You are bearish, someone is bullish. That is how business works. So my focus is what buyers and sellers are doing, sir. यहाँ पे what buyers are price, what activity is happening here, sir. Price is trying to move up exactly around this levels only, right? Price ऊपर जाने की कोशिश कर रहा है, तो यहाँ से who are trying to push the price up, sir? Buyers are trying to push the price up. अभी यहाँ पे volumes थोड़ा सा check करेंगे. Let's try to see the volumes here. Now very important, sir. Time 7:46. Yes, very important. As I mentioned, I don't want to waste any of your time here, because Sunday evening you might be taking rest, or you might be going out with your family members, or you might be enjoying your time with family members. I'm utilizing that time, right? So now what, let's add volume. यहाँ पे क्या activity हो रहा है? Price is trying to move up after aggressively dropping down. यहीं पे क्यों price stop हुआ? Now try to understand. Price is trying to fall down. Buyers would have came here. They would have came here. They are coming at more interest came in at the previous days. They are trying to come. मतलब price ऊपर जा रहा है, उसका मतलब क्या है सर? नीचे से buyers आ रहे हैं. Buyers are coming in from lower levels around previous days high. That is why price is trying to move up, right? अभी यहाँ पे volumes check करेंगे, कंपेयर करेंगे वॉल्यूम्स को. अभी यहाँ पे यही स्पेशलिटी है सर. आपको वॉल्यूम्स कंपैरिजन में कभी भी करता हूँ, वॉल्यूम में बहुत एंगल में देखता हूँ सर. वॉल्यूम्स आई सी इनसाइड द कैंडल आल्सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ ऑर्डर फ्लो, बट हियर फ्री रिसोर्स यूज करेंगे. कोई पेड या कुछ भी बारे में यहाँ पे बात नहीं करेंगे. फ्री रिसोर्स पे व्हाट इज अवेलेबल? वॉल्यूम्स. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू कंपेयर दिस बायर्स हु आर ट्राइंग टू कम, द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दोज बायर्स, or I can say, I will not tell the volume of the buyer, that will be wrong word I will be utilizing. Okay, this is an bullish attempt made to push the price up with bullish candle, because यहाँ पे इस candle में buyers भी है, sellers भी है. ये जो भी volume यहाँ पे plot हो रहा है, it is total volume. ये candle, ये volume color green, इसका मतलब नहीं कि यहाँ पे पूरा buyers ही है. ये कैंडल कलर रेड, इसका मतलब नहीं यहाँ पे इस कैंडल में पूरा सेलर्स ही है. नो, इट इज बोथ बायर्स एंड सेलर्स आर देयर. दिस इज टोटल नेट वॉल्यूम. इफ द कैंडल क्लोजेस इन ग्रीन, इट विल शो ग्रीन. कैंडल क्लोजेस इन रेड, इट विल शो रेड. दिस इज वन मोर प्रॉब्लम व्हिच मोस्ट ट्रेडर्स हैव सर. ये कैंडल, दिस बार वॉल्यूम इज क्लोजिंग इन ग्रीन and candle is in green, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि buyers are only in this candle. This is not buyers volume sir. Try to understand. Many might be aware of it, but जिनको भी ये चीज मालूम नहीं है, try to understand. This volume which I marked here, ये सिर्फ buyers का volume नहीं है sir. This is total net volume, and this volume bar is designed in such a way. आपको यहाँ पे if let's say if I'm getting an option here, I don't know whether the option is available. Look at this. यहाँ पे जो भी falling volume, rising volume, volume color जो भी plot कर रहा है, if I change the color to black, अभी क्या है सर? अभी आपके सामने क्या है सर? सारे सिंपल कलर तो सेम हो गया ना. यहाँ पे कोई आपको आइडेंटिटी नहीं है कि क्या वॉल्यूम कलर रेड है या ग्रीन है, बिकॉज ये तो टोटल नेट वॉल्यूम है. दिस विल नॉट चेंज एनीथिंग कि यहाँ पे green color volume means full buyers volume, red color full sale volume. This color is making you one more directly, knowingly or unknowingly, आपके जानते हुए ना जानते हुए ये वॉल्यूम कलर आपके लिए एक प्रॉब्लम बन रहा है सर, which is also one of the reasons stopping you from making profits. Okay, तो कमिंग बैक हियर, यहाँ पे क्या एक्टिविटी है सर? प्राइस इज ट्राइंग टू मूव अप. तो bulls who are trying to move up, if they are really serious, I will tell you, if they are really serious, coming around previous days high, those bulls who are trying to come and push the price up, what they will be doing? Minimum straight away, every time they can't move the price up sir, because here aggressive sellers who are trying to, aggressive bearish traders, they are moving down. So minimum they will be doing sideways auction. Why I confidently I am telling कि यहाँ पे they will be doing, chances are they will be one chance they will be doing sideways auction is all because why price goes into sideways, नीचे से buyers ऊपर से sellers, इसीलिए प्राइस साइडवेज जाता है. दोनों कंट्रोल में नहीं है. If any bulls are control, price will move up. Bears are control, price will move down. If both are not in control, what will happen, sir? If both are not in control, what will happen? Price will stay sideways. There will be a fight. तो same scenario sir. नीचे से bulls, ऊपर से bears. Price या तो sideways जाना है. If these bulls are not so powerful, वैसे ही price is falling down, this bears will again come in next few minutes. They will reverse back the price aggressively. जितना speed से, जितना less time they are allowing this bulls and reversing back down, उतना ही strong they can dominate the price. Try to understand. If they are ready to fight, नीचे से buyers are stronger, ऊपर से bears, sellers are also stronger. जो भी ये sellers, these sellers, mean first they will fight and then they will decide कि who is winner. In that direction price will move. Okay, what is happening here? Price is trying to move up. Just two candles taken to price to move up. In next two candles price reversed back and clearly closing below it. समझ रहे हो? तो now tell me, at this juncture, after looking at this action, I am not again repeating. यहाँ पे मैं candlesticks नहीं देख रहा हूँ सर, मैं bullish candle नहीं देख रहा हूँ, bearish candle भी नहीं देख रहा हूँ. I am just trying to see. I'm just trying to see what is happening here, sir. Two candles, bulls have made an attempt to move up. Just check the net volumes of these two candles. Net volume, and you can compare it with previous volume जहाँ पे price was moving up. It is higher. Volumes are higher, sir. Total net volume is higher. When the price is trying to move up, the total net volume is higher, bigger compared to the, in numbers, compared to the any previous volume where the price was moving up. Or I can say this is the almost highest volume, total net volume for this trading session so far till this candle. Beyond that the volumes were high more here, but यहाँ पे when you are in live market, इससे right side में कुछ दिखने वाला नहीं है. You will not be seeing anything on your right. Okay, so till this point, this is almost, यहाँ पे this is the highest candle, highest volume यहाँ पे here, and this is one more almost equivalent highest volume, net volume for the trading session as the price is trying to move. But इतना volume आके भी, despite coming up this much volume, what is the use, sir? Next 10 minutes sellers, these bearish traders फिर से price को push towards downside and closes also clearly below it. उससे भी कम volume में, compare this volume here with, even comparing it, the volumes are not equivalent. थोड़ा सा low volumes are there, but still they have rejected in next 10 minutes. 5-10 minutes में इतना strong rejection मार रहे हैं and reversing the price, closing it. Last time when price came here, there was no close below previous days. यहाँ पे तो उन्होंने close भी कर चुके हैं. Now tell me, after looking at this action, whether sellers are stronger or buyers are stronger. I repeat again, I'm not seeing any pattern or chart pattern. Now sir, everyone try to answer, sir. This is very important. Just type your answer in the live chat box. After looking all this activity, after looking the action. I repeat the word, after looking at action. I have not used support here, resistance here, because here this was acting as support rate. Later it turned into resistance. That is different story, different action. If I can add on, I will be adding on that also, because here it was acting as a support. This area price moved at. I personally on the live session told you clearly that bulls will dominate. I have personally taken a bullish trade and made profit in front of traders. Okay, now this support is turned into resistance. When price trying to move up, it has resistance, price rejected. I can add on, I can tell this is more sellers stronger. But ये जब चीज एक step, one step forward, sir. एक step, what I can see, it's the next step of checking it. But आप ये basic action देख रहे हो. आपको समझ लो you don't know about support or resistance. Basic action telling you what is that? Sellers are more stronger, right? Sellers are more stronger. Still, the many traders are not answering, sir. Be interactive. Be open to answer, sir. If you are wrong, no problem. If you are not taking an attempt, not taking an action to answer, then you are not utilizing using your smart money in a full extent, sir. You need to be an action taker, then only chances of profit making increases. Now everyone open the live chat box and see, everyone is telling bears, 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 sellers, sellers, sellers. Up to you know this direction, now sellers are strong. So automatically, straightforward, what came in, downwards came. Right, now tell me, have you ever tried seeing this market, seeing the candlestick chart in the perspective which I am speaking for the past 15 minutes? Yes or no? Be super honest and try to tell me yes or no. Have you ever tried or checked the market in this perspective what I am trying to tell you? Nay, sir, if it is yes, fine and great, sir. If it is no, nothing wrong. I repeat again, if your answer is no, nothing wrong, sir. Learn it now, na, nothing wrong. But you are super honest. Your honesty is more important in the market, sir. Few are answers I have got yes, but many answers are no. Right? So this is, if it is no, you can learn it. If it is yes, super great, sir. If it is yes means have you taken this, made utilize this opportunity, and if your answer is yes, then you should have made it as utilize this as a trade opportunity, and you should have made profits here. Okay, if your answer is yes, you should have utilized this as a super. This is one of, I could say, one of the super opportunity, because aggressive market, budget day, volatile day. This was why I am taking this example only, sir. Only this day I am utilizing, spending time a lot here, right? Because budget days are volatile day. This was crazy volatile market. Why I'm using a word crazy volatile? Sir, there are days market were more volatile than this trading session. And if I'm checking 2020, 2020, where VIX went to 50, 60, 70, 80 levels. Intraday volatile was next to next level, it was there. But for the past few months, if I'm comparing from February 1, for the past few months, this was one of the best volatile day. Okay, this was one of the best volatile day. That is the reason I'm taking this. If your answer is yes, you should have taken your trade and you should have made good profits here. If your answer is no, no problems. Okay, now this is the first level, it is up. Same thing I will be doing in everywhere, sir. Same by any chance. Let's say on any other day, price is not approaching previous day, say it is around midpoint, I'll be doing the same. If it is around previous day's low, I'll be doing the same. I'll be checking the action here. Okay, there are only two possibilities, either it will reject, either it will accept. If it is here, it is rejected, price rejected, either it will accept, consolidate. Okay, it will consolidate. Two possibilities are there. So this is important. Now let's say here price is, everything is happening, sir. Price is trying to come down, everything is, let's say you have taken an entry here. So now good question from Kumaran, sir, then how, what is any trade action to be noted down at midpoint? Sir, same action I'll be doing everywhere once it is attempting for the first time. Okay, let's say I have taken a trade here. After looking all this, let's say everyone is clear, the sellers are stronger. Everyone have commented sellers are stronger. Almost many traders, those who have commented in the live chat box. Let's assume you and I, everyone have taken a trade here below this candle low, short SL above this candle high. Okay, so now when the price going back to the midpoint, my only thing here is I will zoom out the chart. Only thing I'll be seeing is there any rejection? That's it. Is there any rejection? Even if price consolidate, this sellers will try and dominate and push the price clearly down. Chances are more there. Only thing I need to say, when the price is approaching to the midpoint level, whether the price is rejecting and sustaining. Rejecting and sustaining. 2 point is rejecting and sustaining. If it is not happening, look at this, when price came to the exact midpoint level, price easily crossed. Matlab, this is additional boost to me. It's like simple, sir. It's in some area, in some place, or in some zone. If there is some fire, if there is some fire is up, some fire, or let's say there is a fire there, and if you put petrol on it, if you put some what I can say, material or a liquid which will make this fire to become more high, what will happen, sir? More fire will come in. Same way, sir, price either it has to reject or cross. यहाँ पे तो easily price is crossing, sir. That means sellers are more stronger. This is more confidence. This is creating more confidence for the bearish position, for the downside position, right? More confidence means simple, sir. More the confidence is, more we can stay on the trade. How do you find to know target? Target levels, there are various. You need to see, is there any other reference level are there? If there is no reference level, target can be fixed in terms of risk to reward. 1:2, 1:3 wala risk reward can be one more option which can help you to fix target. There are many ways. One is this risk reward based. One is if there is any other reference level, any other zone which I have not checked. There might be any other zone I have not checked. That is the zone that might be my target area. Okay. Can you understand? This is almost 8 p.m. now. What I will do is, just for the information, this is not only the one example, various example. You can try checking this, because my focus was to do this session. As this is actually, if it was the morning session, I would have done it probably 2 hours, around say 10 to 12, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. in the morning. As it is evening, almost 8, 8:30, it's dinner time. So I will be not taking more of your time here. Okay, I will tell you one thing. This is, yes, good question, sir. Very good question coming in here from is, sir, what about the up move after that? This is what important, sir. Up move after that, sir. Our a trader's work is not to capture all the moves, sir. This is one more, the most important problem I will tell you. Most traders have is, they want to capture all the moves, sir. Don't do it. Don't have a mindset to capture all the moves, sir. Capture the move where the high probability is there, the price will move in the same direction, in a single direction. If you are taking one trade a day, no problem, but take it with high confidence. Now, let me tell you, I will tell you, will, after looking at the perspective which I am telling you, which I am speaking you in the way the price action has developed, will you be more confident to take a short side trade here, or will you be more confident to take a short side here after looking at 3 candles? This is area 1, this is area 2, level 2. Will you be more confident to take a short side at area 1 or area 2? Comment your answers. Will you be high confident to take a, let's say you are bearish, want to take a put option as the markets are falling? High confidence, will you be doing, taking a trade at area 1 or area 2, sir? Type your answer now. Everyone try to answer this. Very, very important. Look at the answer coming in the live chat box. Area 1. Why, sir? Why you are more interested in area 1, sir? Because this is high probability. High probability opportunity. Because this is where multiple clues are in favor. Because the up move, bullish up move is being rejected. Sellers dominating, price below VWAP. This support area is turning into resistance. Support turning resistance. 3 clues are here. So this is called high probability opportunity. Here there is no clue, sir. Here there is no clue here at this location. This is randomly price is dropping. You just want to chase the candle, look at the candle color and take the trade. Yes, exactly. She was a stop loss hunting chances is also low at area 1. More the probability in the favor, more the chances of price moving with confidence in your favor. Here support turning resistance, price rejecting from the bulls are failing, price below VWAP, confident level, clarity 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, support resistance, price rejecting, prices below VWAP, 3 things. Okay, तो simple है सर, समझ रहे हो, बहुत सिंपल है. एक्शन आप समझ लोगे बाकी तो काम हो जाएगा सर. Okay, one message from Pratik sir. Nitesh ji, my son is very happy to hear your voice every day. He wanted to talk to you. Arey sir, I am grateful to you sir. Let me be tell you. Okay, sir, please take his name. His name is Pratik. Just say hi to him. Yes. Good evening, Pratik. Pratik ji, hello, hi. Okay. Arey sir, this is I will take one of the best compliment I have received so far. Okay, sir, simple, sir. Good evening. Good evening. Thank you. Sir, if you find this session so far useful, just you can do me a favor. Share your feedbacks on Twitter, sir. Just tag me at Learn to Trade 365. Okay, at this is my Twitter handle at Learn to Trade 365. Just tag me and share your feedback. It can be positive feedback, negative feedback, both are happy to be accepted. On Twitter you can tag me and share your valuable feedbacks. Okay, because more the feedbacks I can understand is there any benefit for doing the free webinar or not. Okay, now time is almost 8:10, right? What I will do is I will see the feedbacks. Sir, I am just trying to get some feedbacks on the live chat box. Thank you for it, because the quickly price it is coming in the feedbacks, so I cannot see the names everyone, but try to make sure share your in-depth feedbacks by tagging me Learn to Trade 365 on Twitter. And make sure sir, just for reminder again, tomorrow live market session, free live market session is continuing tomorrow also, morning 9 a.m. Don't miss to join 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. or probably 1:30 p.m. on all trading session in the same YouTube channel. Do subscribe and make use of it. Okay, in budget day I made 2k profits with your live session. Great, great sir. 40k साइकोलॉजिकल लेवल 40k टच करके उससे नीचे नहीं गया. नहीं सर, प्राइस वेंट इवन फर्दर डाउन. इट वाज फ्रीक मूव, quick move and then reversal came in, but price went down. Yes sir. Great, great, great to know. So now let's take some questions here. Okay, let's take some quick questions here. Before that, before going on to question, I just let me complete this. Let me complete here few more things. Yes, yes, Aram se you can start posting your questions, sir. Nothing wrong in it. You can start posting your questions. Sir, first two candle of 2nd February, I will tell you, sir, I was in front of the live session. It was just a trap activity, sir, because यहाँ पे there is some buyers who pushed up. This downward reversal was a trap activity, I will tell you. I was in the live session. I was silently sitting, not doing anything in that live session. Okay. Yes, candle size, definitely it matters, sir. Candle size, yes, it matters. Okay, traders, make sure to join the free Telegram channel. This is those who have joined this free webinar. You might have joined from the temporary channel. Stay on the channel. Okay. Target, in terms of target, Pratik sir, again one is risk reward based target can be there, and I need to see is there any reference level, because I was more familiar with the 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3 wala target in this day on this particular area or zone. Okay, that was the only motive of this trade, or only motive of this down move I was targeting. That's it. Make sure do join the free Telegram channel where you will get the Bank Nifty reference level daily. Okay, so it might benefit for you. You can check the link in the description and the chat box also. Aram says, sir, you can start posting your questions, sir, because continuously I'm speaking for non-stop more than 1 hour. No, I mostly taken trade on this one, sir. Put options only, sir, not shorting future. I'm not a big fan of trading taking future trades. I generally trade option trading only. Okay, Sujit sir is telling, truly speaking, I'm going to learn from you. Inform me when you are going to start next paid class. No, sir. Traders who want to register for the paid classes, or you want to learn or upgrade your trading, you can message me on the WhatsApp link is in the description live chat box. Okay, you can message me on the WhatsApp straight away. What's the use of the VWAP? Okay, sir. VWAP again, Manish Kumar sir. VWAP uses are many things. Okay, many ways you can use money, sir, if possible. Not time might not permit today to speak about Viva, because Viva is a very big topic, sir. What I can do, I will request you, Viva, sir. Request you, Money, sir. Kindly join any live sessions tomorrow and any trading session where I speak more about Viva. Or you can check my Twitter handle where I've already shared many things about VWAP. You can check the mega Twitter thread. Just open my account, Twitter account. On the first tweet, you can see some where you can get more on towards it. Okay, one good question, sir. Please confirm which chart you see, future or spot, sir. I see future chart because I'm more comfortable checking future chart. It has become an habit for me for many years tracking future chart. Nothing wrong in tracking future or spot chart. Both are almost same, sir. Spot future chart follow the spot chart only. Let me be very clear on it. But it has become an habit for me. Sir, same thing I work out on Nifty and Bank Nifty both ways, sir. Okay, same thing. This app I do it on both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Same thing I do it. But this is just, I will repeat again, this is just a one way, sir. This is not the only way. I repeat again, this is just one way. In the live market session, I do in various ways of showing you practically things, levels, zones, area, everything, where you can join in live sessions and practically you can see in front of your eyes, because in live market I cannot hide anything. Live market, what is reality, that is in front of you. If I'm missing any move, I'm missing the move. If I'm capturing the move, I'm capturing the move. Live, open, in front of the eyes. Very good to know, sir. I am doing trade as per your levels only, but doing option selling, Pratik sir. Fine, great, sir. Abhishek sir is telling, अब लग रहा trading सीख जाऊंगा. अरे great. Sir, you can continuously share your valuable feedbacks on, because I will remember your name also on Twitter just by tagging me at Learn to Trade 365. This is my ID. Okay, any other questions? Quickly try to post your questions, sir. Okay, good question, sir. What if there is no key levels near price? So generally what I do now, if there is no key levels at price, I just try to see is there VWAP. Let's say, sir, good question, sir. If there is no key level zone reference level, for example, this is not only previous day high, low and midpoint is there. If you could see, as I mentioned on the Telegram, free Telegram channel, this is temporary channel which I created for free webinar. One, there is a permanent Telegram channel. The link is in the pin chat box, in the live chat box, pin message or in the description, where I regularly share bank nifty zones levels. Despite, let's say there is level somewhere here, zone somewhere here, okay, and price is trading here. Here there is no reference level, no zone, no area, no important zones. I just try to see if price is near VWAP. If price is also not near VWAP, not near any zone, not near reference level, I just avoid the areas. Okay, I just try to avoid those zones, because I just try to see any price action is happening there. That's it. Okay. Or in some case, what happens now? If there is no levels, no area, no zone, I look for traps. I look for, is there any trap is happening? Is there any failure, up breakout, false breakout is happening, sir? That is what I will see. Minishran sir, I just see that activity. For example, price is consolidating. Let's say there is no zone, no area, no reference level, no VWAP, nothing. VWAP is somewhere here, price is trading here. What I try to see is there any price is trying to move up, false breakout, rejecting down. Price is trying to move up, false breakout, rejecting down, move down, failure breakout, reversing back. This can be, I'll be focusing to take a trade as an opportunity, as a false breakout, failed breakout opportunity. Because false breakout, failed breakout moves are really more faster. Because false breakout, it will lead to go and trap, trigger stop losses of many traders. Okay, that is the reason for stop loss order. Try to understand before completing this session. I'll tell you one more thing. Stop loss order is a market orders. In the market, there are two orders. One it is limit orders, one it is market orders. Market orders, there is separate column of market orders, and stop loss order is also market orders. Comes under the category of market orders, and one more limit orders. These limit orders are passive orders, market orders are aggressive orders. Try to understand, this is very important, but most don't even give importance, or most are not aware of it. In this market there are two orders, limit orders and market orders. Limit orders are passive orders. Because of limit orders, market will not move. Market orders are aggressive orders. Because of the market orders, market can react very fastly. Market can become more aggressive when more market orders are there. Limit orders, passive orders, sir. Market price will not give any reaction. For example, let's say I am placing limit orders of any option at 400. I am placing 10 lots. I am interested to buy call option of Bank Nifty at 400 levels only. Price is trading at 415. Price is trading at, let's assume price is trading at 415. I am interested to ready to buy 10 lots of call option 400. Okay. Now let's say if I want to buy, there should be some sell. Forget about this example. I will tell you one more example that might be more precisely clear enough. Okay, let's say price is trading at 395 and I am interested to buy at 400. Because I am expecting Bank Nifty call option will move up after 400 very fastly. I want to buy at 400. There should be some opposite seller at 400. Then only all my 10 orders will get, 10 lots will get filled. Let's say here there is only 3 lots sellers at 400. What will happen is only 3 lots of my orders will get filled. 7 lots will be in pending and price will start moving up. There are sometimes it would have happened to you. You would have placed 10 lots, only 3 lots would have filled, 4 lots would have filled, and price would have gone in your direction. This is the reason, sir. For every buyer, there should be a seller. The sellers are less, your quantity filling will also be less. Okay. Okay, Pratik sir, your name is Vijay Singh. You are joining from your son's account. Great, great. Kamlesh sir, yes, hello, good evening, sir. Any other questions? Do let me know if there is any other questions. I will try to address your questions before winding up this session. I believe the session is useful. I will wait for your feedbacks on Twitter. Bad or good, that is fine. I will wait for the feedbacks. Okay, good question from Kamalesh Saris. I am trading in Neo stock virtually. Okay, paper trading, making good profit. Should I start trading with real money? Kamlesh sir, trading with real money as you are doing only practical paper trading will not have any emotions. Fear, greed, frustration, happy, sad. Nothing will be there. Emotions, zero emotions in paper trading. But real money will have emotions. Start small, sir. If you are ready to start, Kamlesh sir, start small with test your skill for small quantity. If you are comfortably consistently making profits, then fine enough, you can increase as per your comfort, because straight away jumping from paper trading and real trading something different, sir. Paper trading, where you have nothing to lose, no real money is there, you have zero loss and zero emotion. Real trading will have full emotions, and profit and loss both will be there. Okay. False breakout, sir. False breakout. Simple, sir. False breakout. Generally, I'll tell you one simple example. Let's say false breakout example. I will show you one day of false breakout. Yes, this is the day. Just see, sir. One question was asked by Prabhu, sir. Right, sir. False breakout. This is one good example of false breakout. Price was consolidating here. This is a tight range. Price was consolidating. Price tried to make a break on the upside, breakout on the upside, failed, formed a clear wick here, rejected. Price clearly broken the low of this consolidation. Price made an attempt up, failed, buyers failed, reverse. This is false breakout. False breakout. Look at the activity. Price aggressively came down. Okay, how to identify fault? Identify trap. Anjali ma'am, identifying trap, sir, after market, that might be not correct way to explain, because everything now looks easy. Okay, now what I will do, you can join any live market session in any upcoming day, Anjali ma'am, where I will try to show you how real trap is happening, how really stop loss hunt happen, how really retail traders get trapped. Okay, that might be a correct practical learning you will be getting, Anjali ma'am, during live market. And I get to know Kamlesh sir. Thank you so much. Continuously try to share your valuable feedbacks, positive, negative, bad feedback, good feedback. Everything is happy to accept. Okay. You can just share your feedbacks on Twitter by just tagging me. Simple. Kumaran sir is asking, you have shown stop loss in future chart. We are trading option premium at 200 premium, buy at Bank Nifty, but while seeing spot chart, how to calculate 41,000 strike price? Yes, sir. Are a fantastic question, sir. I will show you current example, sir. Good name. My good name is Nitesh. Okay. I will show you current example, Kumaran sir. Okay. Kumaran sir, this was Friday's trading session. I personally have taken a trade here. Okay. Spot. Let's say I'll parallelly want a spot chart here. I'll open spot Bank Nifty. Current example of Friday's session. Let's this area. Two trades taken. One was here, and one was here. Let's take this example for your option doubt clear. I will be cleared. Okay. I was bearish. somewhere below this area or below this low, I was bearish, right? That was my bearish area. I was planning the trade. What is the spot trading around? Somewhere around, I didn't remember the precise value. Somewhere this level, around this level, I was bearish. Okay, so it was 40,824 on the spot. Future levels was different, but this was the level. So, matlab, let's say ATM strike price is 40,800. What I'll be doing is I'll be choosing ITM, minimum one strike price ITM option. That is minimum I'll be interested to at 4900 put option. But on this day I have taken 41,200 put option. It was for ITM. Okay, I've told the reason of that also on the live session. Because it was Friday, I was not ready to do any kind of premium DK. I was playing more conservative. That was going far ITM. But minimum rule is one strike price ITM I'll be going, sir. This is my ground rule I follow. Right? So same. This was the candle low. Below this I was interested to plan my short side trade. What is the time of the candle? Same, 4800 is the level. 4900 will be my minimum strike price. I'll be opening the Bank Nifty option chart. Same chart here, this one. Same chart. Simple. I'll be just seeing the times. What is the time here? 11. Below this I'm more interested. Somewhere below this area, few points buffer. So last time when price came near to this was the low, was very close here. So what is the candle time? 11:05. Same on the option. 11:05 candle I is here. This is the 11:05 candle I, and below this few points away I am taking my entry. Same. What I'll be doing? Few points above this I'll be giving buffer, and I'll be getting the level of the options. What is the level? This is the eye of the candle is 465. Probably 470, 472. That will be my level. What is my stop loss? This is my stop loss. Somewhere around this candle line. So this will be my stop loss below this candle low in the option. So automatically with few points buffer. What is the low? 418, 419. I'll be giving buffer of 3-4 points. So 415 will be my stop loss. This is how a simplest and very effective way I use it to place my stop loss on the option strike price if I am doing option buy.